Hello everyone. We are in the age of augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and electronic mobility. With the pandemic, the digital transformation got boosted. Now everything from banking, seeing doctor, doing yoga, shopping, even study was forced online. But the online security using password is still 3 decades old. Process in computing power is being a pain point. Yes, you heard it right. New computing power and AI is pain point because hackers are updated and users still using old methods. Since 1990, password technology hasn't even changed. It is still the same old boring black and white password, and what's the worst is that they are insanely weak and problematic. Weaker password method have given hackers upper hand. Over 30% of hacking related breach involve brute force or the use of stolen credential. Last few years, more than 30 billion records have been stolen. Because of that, digital transformation and business growth is at risk. CTOs, CISOs of a business, even startup founders are worried. Automated cyber frauds are and newer challenges keep them awake. We are particularly in the middle of cyber cold war. Threats from foreign government and financially motivated hackers are growing. Even recent Zoom attack, solar wind attack, and Florida water plant attack was caused by weaker security measure and bad passwords. The worst part of it is if your competitor is getting breached, you facing the problem. Password reuse will allow hacker to break your application defense that is still using old security. Even one-time link, one-time password, or device-based authentication are subject to phishing, email hacking, and device cloning problem. Then what is the solution? Let's talk about it. I am Nehal Mehta, President and co-founder of Rainbow Secure. I am an artist, mathematician, IT engineer, and cybersecurity researcher. Here I present future-ready security platform Rainbow Secure that will make user and customer happy and best user experience. And it keeps business safe from cyber threats. Rainbow Secure security based on interactive graphical elements with unique customized design. Let's start with Rainbow Password. Its innovative patented login techniques with graphical colors and style option to create your login credential. This is simple login screen where you are entering your username and password. Just click on rainbow icon. Now simply apply color or style to your password and boom, magic can happen. You are safe from cyber attack, cyber fraud, business liability and risk. Just 4 character with unique colors gives 40-character password string. We added a graphical elements that makes user login interactive, fun, and strong. Traditionally, we are using 26 uppercase, 26 lowercase, around 10 numbers, and 11 special characters. So technically, it's altogether 72 characters make one character of password. But with the Rainbow Secure, now you have all that 72 characters. On top of it, you can use 70 million color as a font color, 70 million color as a background color, and 100 of style options like bold, italic, font name, font size. All these options for creating only one character of a password. So now altogether you have choice of around 36 quadrillion options to make one character of password. Here, Rainbow Secure technology is playing with color shades because of each black shades is unique to 55 shades. This is easy to use security that everyone can adopt. Let's see how Rainbow Secure technology protects you from bad hackers. You will be safe from brute force attack where hacker try to go through all the combination to crack your password. Rainbow Secure color and style option create a large number of password possibilities. Even one character of Rainbow password has 36 quadrillion possibilities. Quantum computing cannot break it, these long possibilities. You also get protection from password reuse and credential stuffing attack carried by hackers because of strong and interactive user experience. You also get anti-fraud protection while using Rainbow Secure platform. So even if your firewall or network defense fails, you get backup plan. Now, no hardware device, no carry extra device, no apps you can needed to install, no threats of forgot or left behind device or device cloning risk. Rainbow Secure keeps you protect from inside threats, human mistake, and human factor failures. For example, if you are walk away from your system that was saved your credential in your Chrome browser or in your password manager, you are still safe because still you have formatting factor that color or style knowledge with you. That will save your day. Rainbow Secure help you run your business smoothly and secure without fear of business disruption, business secret lost, or fear of financial loss from data breaches. On top of it, innovative cyber defense help to reduce and defend against technology liability claims. It reduces your cyber insurance. We provide a developer plugin, APIs of Rainbow Password and Rainbow Zero Trust OTP to secure your login, and Rainbow Smart MFA for your verification and transaction approval changes. We also provide secure office solution to help you secure your password, sensitive data, and even manage your SQL database, Windows login, and create a success access gateway for your enterprise. We are certified by Microsoft and Defense Department and currently working with IBM. We are listed in Microsoft Azure platform, so you can buy from Microsoft platform also. We are Microsoft Co-sell ISV partners and enterprise can trust us because of our certification and backing of Azure platform. All our data are stored in Microsoft Platform Cloud. You can customize or deploy in on-premise cloud. Our main focus is to include user experience and balance security friction. Rainbow Secure works on iOS, Android, web, and Windows applications. It perfectly integrates with old and new applications. Rainbow Secure helps developer with ready to integrate plugin for better security so they don't have to reinvent the wheel. Rainbow Secure help product managers and user experience expert to reduce security friction for user experience and give their product and service the real cyber defense. InfoSec people and InfoSec people are happy because we we not only offer the login security but also built in anti-fraud defense against automated attack and DDoS. CTOs and CFO is happy because we make better security possible with lower cost. That gives return for many years to come. Please join and spread the word to make user life easier and hackers' life harder. It's time to upgrade now. And please visit us at rainbowsecure.com, and if you have a more question, join us at LinkedIn or book a demo. Thank you.